You ever wonder why people keep losing in life? Not just in games, not just in business, but in life? It's not because they're weak. It's not even because they're stupid. It's because they keep playing a game of chess with their emotions strapped to their forehead like a neon sign. They react. They overthink. They get angry. They get jealous. And guess what? That makes them predictable. And if you're predictable, you're already dead. Now me? I don't move like that. I don't let feelings write the playbook. I stay silent. I stay calculated. I stay invisible. And that's exactly why I win, when no one sees it coming. See, everyone's out here trying to prove something, trying to show off how tough they are, how emotional, how passionate. But passion fades. Discipline doesn't. Feelings betray you. Strategy saves you. So let me ask you, what do you gain by showing the world how you feel? What changes when you explode in anger? When you cry in front of people who couldn't care less? When you get jealous over things that don't even belong to you? You know what changes? Nothing. You just expose your weakness. You think people respect vulnerability? Maybe a few do. But the rest? They smell blood. And when they see weakness, they use it. It's how this world works. And you can either accept that and build armor, or keep bleeding every time someone pokes your feelings. I didn't become powerful because I was stronger. I became powerful because I stopped caring about how I felt and started focusing on what I needed to do. There's a time to feel, and then there's a time to move like a shadow, strike like a ghost, and leave no fingerprints behind. People say I'm cold, that I don't react, that I'm emotionally numb. Good. Let them think that. Let them believe I'm disconnected, distant, heartless. Because while they're trying to figure me out, I'm already 5 steps ahead. While they're yelling, I'm calculating. While they're crying, I'm adapting. And while they're swinging wildly, I've already finished the fight. You don't win wars with emotions. You win them with silence, strategy, and patience. Look around you. Everyone's trying to be loud, to be noticed, to scream their pain into the void, hoping someone gives a damn. But what if you didn't need that? What if you could carry the pain, wear it like armor, and move like no one could touch you? That's what I did. I stopped trying to be understood. I stopped trying to make people care. I stopped trying to prove I was worthy. And in that silence, I found clarity, power, focus. Because when your emotions stop controlling you, the world loses control over you too. People fear what they don't understand. So give them nothing to understand. They'll call it mysterious, they'll call it antisocial. They'll say you're cold, heartless, robotic. But deep down, they know the truth. They can't predict you. And what they can't predict, they can't control. And if they can't control you, you've already won. So stay silent, stay calm, stay unreadable. Your emotions make you predictable. But your control? That makes you invisible. You want to know why that silence hits harder than a scream? Because most people don't expect it. They expect breakdowns. They expect explosions. They expect noise. But silence? That terrifies them. Because silence is composed, controlled, dangerous. It's like walking into a room and seeing someone with a blank face. No twitch, no smirk, no frown, nothing. Your brain scrambles, searching for meaning. But there is none. And that's when the fear creeps in. People can't figure out what they can't read. And the truth is, most people are screaming their emotions even when their mouth is shut. Their body language, their eyes, their tone. They're screaming insecurity, anger, desperation. You want to win? You shut all that off. Train yourself to detach. Not suppress, detach. Suppression is bottling things up. Detachment is rising above it. Watching your emotions like a storm through a glass window. You feel them, yeah. But you don't let them in. You don't let them steer the wheel. This doesn't mean you become numb. It means you become aware. You learn how your emotions move, how they try to take over. And then you choose to act, not react. Let me hit you with something real. The strongest people aren't the ones who feel nothing. They're the ones who control everything they feel. Someone insults you? Cool. Observe. Store it. Don't bark back. Don't show pain. That energy, you turn it into results. You let them talk. And while they talk, you build. You think the loudest person wins? Nah. The quiet one wins. The one they never saw coming. The one they thought was soft until the moment he dismantled everything. That's the path. That's the power. You want to be invisible? Master control. Master detachment. Master silence. And when the world tries to figure you out, stay unreadable. Because once you become unpredictable, you become untouchable. So from this moment on, stop giving the world pieces of your mind. Stop giving away your reactions, your triggers, your emotional tells. Move like Ayano Koji. Cool, calm, strategic. Never play all your cards. Never show your full hand. The world is watching, but that doesn't mean you have to speak. Let your silence confuse them. Let your results speak volumes. Let your presence shake them without a single word. They think emotions make you real, but what makes you lethal is control. Stay silent. Stay sharp. Stay invisible is control. And when it's time to strike, they won't stay sharp. Stay invisible. And when it's time to strike, they won't even see it coming. Let's keep it real. The only reason people try to break you emotionally is because it's the easiest way to win. And they know most of you? You're one emotional poke away from spiraling. One slick comment. One rejection. One failure. And you fall apart. But imagine being unshakable. Imagine someone throwing everything at you. Lies, betrayal, chaos. And you don't flinch. You don't fold. You don't even blink. That's power. You want to stop being a target? Then stop giving them ammo. They say, he's emotionless. Nah, I'm just locked in. I'm just tired of wasting energy on things that don't matter. You want control over your life? Take control of yourself first. No one can break what they can't reach. Let them project. Let them guess. Let them hate. Your job is not to be liked. Your job is to win quietly, while they're busy gossiping loudly. And if this hit you deep, good, because that means you're ready. Ready to stop reacting. Ready to stop explaining. Ready to stop being predictable. Comment, I see everything. I say nothing. Like this video if you're done being soft. Share this with the one friend who needs to snap out of it. Because while they're still yelling about how they feel, you're becoming someone they'll never understand or control. You're not just rising, you're evolving, and they don't stand a chance